sibambe ngazibini Mbukeli ngelonqaku limnandi kangaka kanti ke Mbukeli ngoku abazawuthi bahlale nathi kaloku Mbukeli singatsho into kubana phakathi kwabantu abakhona apha e-studio Mbukeli uzawuba khona ugugu lethu Mzobe odlala njengoNomvula kwakunye ke Mbukeli noKamurhelo aphane ongomnye wabavelisi balenkqubo ugugu lethu ke Mbukeli usachechela ozawungena sithetha nje masibulise sikwamkele sibambe ngazibini ngexesha lakho.
Molo. How are you doing today?
Ndiyaphila namhlanje ulo voice. Uyihlambile waqonda bana uzoyibeka apha eSABC Lihigh.
Zamile ndizeli high. You gotta put a little bit of effort.
Hello, how are you doing today? Ndazibona nje right ngiqonda ba yonke into ihamba kakuhle. Yey. Siyabulela ngokuba nibe nathi. Siyaqondiswa ukubana nogugu lethu uzawungena kungekudala. Kodwa ke ndiyafuna into yokubana ukrobisele uMbukeli ngomsebenzi wakho kuthiwa line producer kuphinde kuthiwe producer yintoni line producer yenza ntoni?
Line producer is umuntu who has the whip. You negotiate contracts with the actors, you negotiate with the crew. You're that guy you're the police of the show. You're that guy that nobody likes. From your writing, you sit in the writing room where you sort of rein in costs. You look at your budget, and writers, sometimes they really get and go overboard and say, we want 100 extras for this big accident. You're like, no. Instead of 100, let's use 40. Oh. Because they are dreamers, they are visionaries. So you need that police that says, no, let's rein the cost in and ensure SABC we are still in budget. We've shot in schedule and in budget. So you're that guy who's a police from post-production to production to writers. It's a different job because also one of the things was you don't get taught numbers. You're just told about being a producer and how exciting it is. And going into the real world, I've always wanted to be a producer, and I was like, I want to grow in line with Lento AIM that makes a good producer and move in the right steps and right channels. Yeah. So we were never told Guti because of accounting. Yeah. But I'm really grateful Guti I was able to be an accountant in the film and television industry. I was able to live a dream of being an accountant because in the creative space I was able to do it.
And you got to work with one of the biggest show in the country, Imubango. Sendicho Kasiti siyayijonga over 28 years. Ikhona kumabonakude abantu beyilandela. Ungathi mhlambe sentsho yonke imali zifikela kuwe, i-actors esizibona into yokubana izinto zonke zisukela kuwe and ndiyafuna ukuqonda into yokubana bekunjani ukusebenzisana nale nkqubo efana nale.
I mean, working on Mubango, what an exciting call when I found out ukuthi ngizawenza Mubango. I watched Mubango when I was 7 years. Wow. And 20, I mean, when it's about to end, 2 seasons before I became part of this greatness, part of this big epic show. And for me, it was a beautiful journey. I won't lie, I was really nervous because it is a show that has got like A-listers. We're speaking about Chief Azwindeni, about Susan. I'm like, Kamo, how are you going to run this show? How are you going to make sure that there's order? But I was really, really grateful. There's some, and that's what when he was setting up this story, but there's something, there's a culture. When you are there, it's like you're home. Things are done by the book. People arrive on time. So your stress becomes money. But going back to the money, Andy Bambi mad. You call it like somewhere. I'm working with it on paper and on an Excel spreadsheet just to manage. But without me having to do anything.
No, nankumtu engafuni ukuzityandikila athi kuwe nakuwe wena. Nakuwe kukuthi hayibo enkosi kamu ngokuba undiphele imali iminyaka emingaka all the time.
when we are about to do any negotiation, I'm like, I I have to know exactly what to do. Where am I pitching my conversation from?
Funeka indaba zakho uziqonde.
And then ngicela ngiflethe lithi hey Gugu ndiyakwazi no. Umeguphi ngoni. It has been really exciting, and like I said, the family spirit is there, and for me I was like, so sebenza no Azwindini, zaw negotiate naye, so sebenza no Gugu Mzobe, Rosemary. She was a really a very dangerous character, and the more you watch these people, you start believing what
that's who they are.
That's exactly who they are.
And ugqiba ukubulala umuntu apha mhlambi iza kuwe
Absolutely. So it has been an experience. I deny Leo Mali in the streets. Don't wait for me. I do not have the money. The money is in the bank. I just run the papers.
I hope uzeno no gata ke so that uqinisekiswe ngayo yonke le minto. Gugu finally wabe koba kanti uyafika. Sekwamkele SABC lihayi.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Unjani Ntombi?
Ngiyaphila ninjani nini?
Ndiyaphila yakubona njengokuba ufike sekuhambe ixesha kusho ukuthi ubuzilungisa because into omhle yona.
Kunini ngisho ngithi sengiyasaba nokuvela kuzothiwa yeah, this is why.
At least sensure yonke into perfect ndithi mina uzozuba xhaphethu kanti into ejonga ubuzixoxa ubenhle. Gugu kuluvuyo enemingcele into yokubana sibe nayo namhlanje. Ndiyafuna nje usibuyisele emva ngosuku lakho lokuqala xa ufumana la call yokuba mhlawumbe uyaqala ngoku uzawusebenza eMubango. Bekunjani?
So for me nje okay ngiqale ngibingelela ababukele emakhaya. For me ukusebenza eMubango it's more of a dream come true because ngaqala uku-audition eMubango ngisa fresh from a college. Kade ngaqala and I've been getting oh yeah you good but so when I finally got a yes, I still even have the emailing anginayo yokuqala about no you performed well but not yet. So ngithema sengibizwa I was oh my goodness I can't even angikwazi ngisho ukuchaza because uMubango is one of those stories esikhule nazo. Mina nje it's more like kufica usukhona ngakhula nawo. And siyawuthanda emakhaya and it's one of those stories ebeyithandwa kakhulu abazali bethu. It was so easy to just sit with your family lounge nibukele uMubango, so it's a family show. I was so happy and namanje ngisabonga kakhulu kuNkulunkulu ukuthi ngikwazile ukuthola opportunity yokuthi ngibe ingxenye yehistory yala eSouth Africa, not even South Africa iyodwa, iAfrica nje iyonkana.
iAfrica yonkana. Sithetha apha ngeminyaka 28 years ayondlwane yanetha. Kumsebenzi wakho wena kaMugelo ndiye kokusithi ugxila kakhulu kwindaba eze finance. Sentsho siyaqonda into yokubana indaba ze finance izinto ezibanzima kakhulu when it comes to inkqubo ezinhle kangakayana. But masijonga uMbango ukwazile into yokubana ayibambe for 28 years. Uqinisekise njani into yokubana without losing creativity because kaloku mawuzawubeka imali meaning that creativity yehla ngapha you need to balance budget.
I mean, before being a line producer, and like I said, into esifumana esikolweni, I mean, asitholanga esikolweni ukuthi uzawuba line producer and you deal with the money. I am a creative before anything. And I'm a lover of good storytelling. So the decisions and the choices that you sometimes have to make shouldn't be for the budget. You need to still rein it in, but they should be what you think South Africa, how will they feel when they see this story? What would it do to them? So having to be a creative before anything and being passionate about this industry, I always say let's put the story forward. I will not say let's not do the accident. I'll say let's cut on the numbers. Let's cut on this. Let's have only 2 vehicles affected. Because what we are telling, what I always do most of the time, I'm like, does the viewer know good to be But no, they didn't. You took exactly. Let's trick it. Seeing that we are in this situation, you did book genuinely 100 people. Who's the 70 people? I'm like, do we still get the celebration that we wanted? Yes, we do. Does the viewer know ukuthi besimele sibe 150? No, they don't. And I'm like, exactly. Let's tell our story.
And speaking about telling a story, nawe unomndeni, unezihlobo, unabalandeli abazawutsho into yokubana indlela owenza ngayo ichukumisa incaka-ncaka yengcambu zenhliziyo zabo. Nawe ukusuka kwakho uye emsebenzini ayingomsebenzi nje likhaya lakho kuba uphila pha necrew. Cela nje usibuyisele emva kule minyaka usebenza eMbango sentshobe kunjani from crew members ngaphandle abalandeli?
Yeah, I'm getting so emotional, especially because Ukamo is here. I'm just going to make an example. There's this one time I went to negotiate with Ukamo, and when I got there, and I feel like ingakho kubalekile ukuthi i-line producer ibe creative njengokamo qala, because we understand nanokuthi we are emotional people as storytellers. So that day into engathi nje ngifika ngiyenza ngakhala. So manje ukama sekumele athulise mina. Sekumele, you know what I mean? But then also we're supposed to be professional.
Nabenza ucinga ba uya act.
Not
even.
Ndisho lo nto bana
So at first I was like, like blackmail, some manipulation. This is serious. I'm like, okay, Kamo, humanity. Don't be a line producer.
And Ukamo handled me like a pro. Bengazuthi mhlawumbe uma wami ongithulisayo. So ikhona leyo nto ye family okwangempela, and I feel like it's nothing like what you see on TV, because on TV we're telling stories, we're fighting, ngibulala umuntu, ngenza this and that, but in real life I go to the office and just break down and cry. And ibengithulise ngize ngibe right, siqhubeke sisebenze. So for me, bekumnandi kakhulu, ngifunda okukhulu, and angifuni qamba manje ngiphatheke kahle kakhulu. Kakhulu.
nasemalini.
Ngeke unganginiki yini sengikhalile, uzonginika. Base ngikhalile uyabona, so ayi cha, kodwa nje ngiphatheke kahle kakhulu.
Kama kuyabonakala into kubana this was not just ukuba kuyasetyenzwa kodwa ngaphandle and behind the scenes zikhona izinto enizihlanganisela nazo ni team uqinisekisa into kubana enisebenza ngokwendlela, and yafuna into kubana unibuyisele ngalamhla enanixelela into kubana yonke leninto enhle esiyenzayo umhla nezolo ifikelela esiphelweni. Senditsho ubusanda ukuthi into kubana bengadalanga ufikile eMbango kodwa ufika nje kuthi hayi ke ayanyuka amagama.
So, I remember that day vividly when we had to announce the cast and crew. I mean, when we started season 26, we knew Guti, this is our final season. But we were like, let's use season 26 as a fighting chance for another season.
Yeah.
And we did exactly that. We went in full circle. But not only were we doing it for another season, we're like, if we are leaving and if this is the last season, let's exit with a bang. What do we want to leave South Africa, Ikumbula Imobango as, you know? And you'll see how we crafted the season finale. It kept people talking. People were like, where have you seen two, a brother and a sister sleeping together? You know what I mean? We took it all the way. We went in and we wanted us. For me, it was when Kajeni said to us, I want us to exit with a bang. I want us to be remembered for many other years. And I got extremely excited. And there was a time where we said, and we are even shooting in Venda. I'm like, let's take it back to its roots. This is the final season. This is someone's show reel. For me, it's like, this is someone's show reel. Whether whether you're a performer, whether you are doing locations, let's show South Africa, we Umobango behind the scenes and on screen had talent. Let's not restrict our actors way to, instead of them having 3 cameras like they do ordinarily. Now they've got 2. They can give you close-ups. They can have even 5 takes or 6 takes to really give it the 100%. And Ukajeni, when he said, I am directing myself. This is the time where we exit with a bang. And the response that we really got, I was just like, we did justice to the story. We gave it 100%. And I'll go out there confidently trying to secure my next job and say, I did Umobango. I closed a legacy show. I was part of that final season of it. Because that for me is it's like a dream, everyone's dream. Like I said, I watched this show with my family when I was 7, and that was the first season, falling in love with these characters and thinking, what this is magic. Yenziwa njani le nto? I was in Limpopo, big dreams of being a creative and doing all these things that are really amazing. I never thought that one day I will be in Joburg and I'll be sitting in a boardroom with Okajeni saying, we are starting season 25 and I'd like for you to be a part of it.
And that was part of the soul contract. Kuba umoya wakho wavuma into yokubana lento uyiphilayo namhlanje uzayiphila nokuphela kwayo. It was part of the soul contract. I mean, you speak with so much passion and ndiqinisekile nombukeli umnikeza umfanekiso ngqondweni wokuba embango kahle kahle thina sibona nje on screen, but behind kukhona olobumbano. I mean, kukonfuna ukuza kuwe uyatsho into yokubana kwathiwa xa kusasazwe izo ndaba zokuba iyaphela imbango kwaba khona laa nto into yokubana ngoku let us fuel the fire energy like never before. This is the last dance. For wena kwabanjani sentsho ndiyaqonda into yokubana yonke kule season sentsho kukhona emotions uqonda uba yo le nto iyaphela nyhani ukushuta le season kwade kwafikela ekugqibeleni. How was it for you?
So nje from ekusebeni indaba kwakubuhlungu, but just like uKamo esho ukuthi sayitshela ukuthi yazini asiyenze lento, let us just perform our hearts out. Yabo. So angikwazi ngisho ukuyichaza for me because umubango for me uyipart enkulu kakhulu empilo yami. This is one show I've always wanted to be part of. And ikuthema sekwenzeka nami ngaba nakho ukuthi hayibo, is it really happening? So obviously masuzwe indaba zokuthi iyaphela, you do want to perform your hearts out, but obviously you are emotional. Bengekho lula bandla. I feel like nakho nje ukukhala, it was just all over the place. But ngenhlanhla sinabantu aba professional. I mean, even for a producer ukuthi nje ngifike ngizohleka la ngimthatha u5 iyatshengisa ukuthi umuntu okhululeke kanganani yet being professional. So even ubaba uGatsheni ke ubaba kuthina kwi-cast ne-crew yonke. So naye wasihlalisa phansi wakhuluma nathi njengoba uKamesho nje ukuthi washo ukuthi okay ngicela ukuthi masiphume with the bang, simisele, perform your heart out. And that's exactly what we did. Nokuthola ke ithuba lokuthi umuntu ayevenda. This wasn't my first time, it was my second time, but you know I always say ukuthi Venda feels like home. It feels more like home. I mean, it's warm. Abantu bakhona, they are so welcoming. So nginakho ukufeel ngazuthi ngiseThekwini mangisevenda, and that for me is amazing. You know, nokuthola ukufunda ukuthi abanye abantu baphila kanjani, was more about amasiko abanye abantu. It's very important as sonke sama South Africans ukuthi nje sibe exposed endleleni zokuphila zabanye abantu. So it was very, very emotional for me. I remember calling my mom. I didn't even know what to say. And when I told her ukuthi no, exactly ngithi isho iyaphela, she didn't believe me. She was like, ay banakho kusho ukuthi iyaphela, ayipheli izophela kanjani? I mean, what do you say?
SABC thunga phandle kwembango.
Exactly, izophela kanjani? But then I had to explain ukuthi oh no, iyaphela ngempela maso ngiyacela ukuthi nibuke. It was very, very emotional, but gay.
Oh man, ndiyafuna nje sibuyele kwizinto ezithe zenzeka kuwe because ezinye izinto asiziboni thina singababukeli, sibona nje the final product, but zikhona izinto ezake zaqhubeka kuwe as an actress. I mean, there was a moment apho sisho into yokubana hey wathi usa actor ekwavuka idlozi ngibona bana hayi amadlozi nawe audition
afuna ukushine,
afuna uvela eTV. Can you take us back to that moment? Kwenzeka ntoni?
Yo sana lwami that day
lingavuka phela high uliqalela nobana
and yazi ukuthi into yangimangaza ukuthi that never happens ever, because ngiyakhuluma nabo mangisebenza, ngiyababikela, ngiyachaza yonke into, but that day I don't know what happened. Nginakho ucabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ngatriggerishwa isini, I think, but I'm forever grateful ukuthi umubango was really home. You know, akuzange kube khona embarrassment ukuthi hayibo nangevuka idlozi on set. kwabo ukuthi nje baya understand and they come to me and they comfort me, are you okay, you know, and beza namanzi nani. And I was fine. It wasn't a bad thing. It wasn't a thing of now I'm rolling on a floor. I honestly mhlambe ngiyayiduduza, but I would like to believe ukuthi Idlozi was just there to admire. Remember masifuna umsebenzi angithi siyahamba siyocela emadlozini bese yasinikeza. So I feel like they were just there bakithi abantu bakithi to admire. It was just that. And working with environment efana naseMubango ke, it wasn't indaba yokuthi sekukhona ukubukwa kabi. It's so easy. It's so easy. I mean, every time manginenkinga, any inkinga or any inconvenience, it was just so easy for me to go get office like so easy. So I'm grateful for that. But yes, that really did happen. Even the director naye kwaba nokwakhe naye, so we had to take a few minutes break.
Hey, ngase lathi xa liphakama lathi kungavalwa imbango. Yini ungavalwa imbango. Oh man, isendisho yazi it's so beautiful into okubana uthi ibilikhaya lakho, and into endiyithandayo soloku yitsho uthi ubunqonqoza kwi office kaKamu, into ethi I mean you were not just a line producer or ingumsebenzi nje we production, but also there was therapy involved.
Absolutely.
Kakhulu,
That's what we do. That's what we do. And one of the biggest lessons that my series producer, Uyeshika Ramdil, who's not here, and myself, what we were taught was to lead with grace.
Yes.
Sisebenza ngabantu, people have got different problems, people come from different backgrounds, and therefore it's always important to, although you lead with grace. Hear them out. What is happening in their lives? In that way, you are able to support them.
Yeah.
You don't know what you don't know. But we said we've got an open door policy. Whatever you're going through, come and speak to us. Whether crew
family.
to a cleaner to everyone who really came and worked with us on this, we made sure that we are family.
Let's speak about the impact yembango. Sendisho siyaqonda into okubana nithi benihamba nikwazi ukundwendwela nakovenda niqulunqe wonke lamabali azawuchukumisa uMzantsi Afrika. Abantu on the ground nezinto abazithethayo about the influence nangendlela ebuguqule ngayo ubomi. Uyatsho nawe into okubana at 7 years this was the show wawuqonda into okubana nami ngenye imini ndingarhalela nakubeni ndingacingi.
So, I think you go first.
Let me go first.
Yeah.
So mina, njengomuntu okhulele kamasho, growing up, because I'm dark skinned, and this is another important thing uMubango oyilethile eTV, to celebrate and appreciate abantu abansundu like me. So growing up, because vele bengenza izinto zo acting kusukela ngisamncane, bengihlezi kuthiwa umuhle ngathi actor kuMubango all the time. Why? Because uMubango was one of, if not the only show at the time, unabantu majority but dark skinned, and they are well celebrated and they are portrayed as abantu abahle. So even estradini lokishini bebenakho lokuthi umnyama umuhle Mubango, you know. So leyo nto ine impact enkulu kakhulu, because we know ukuthi before you would get bullied ngokuthi you are dark skinned, but because of uMubango abantu bavuleleka babona ukuthi hayi man uyaba muhle ubumnyama. You know, for me that was one thing engiqamele kakhulu about this show. Mase kuba into yama languages ke as well, because again in KZN we only have isiZulu.
Yeah.
So we started knowing kahle kahle ukuthi wait kunesivenda, wait kunesitsonga, kune, simply because of uMubango iyona show kade cover wonke ama languages.
Nalonto ilwa ne-tribalism.
Kakhulu, because iyakufundisa ukuthi kahle kahle siyinto eyodwa. You know what I mean? Now ugcina usufuna ukufunda ukuthi okay yazini ake ngijwayeze isivenda, ake ngisifunde. You know, by the time mina ngifika la eGoli bese ngiwezwa most of the languages.
Khawuthi qaba kancinci ungathethi ngento ongayazi.
Mhlambe ngithini nje, I remember the vendor sentences.
I learned.
So I had to talk about the boy that was supposed to go home on the scene. So it went like Mutukana umbera uya ayani. It was a long thing, but I mean, trust me.
Phathu, please confirm it right.
Ayani is home.
Oh, yeah.
I got this. I know this now. Please confirm. It's right.
Hayi nakwethi yes,
Yeah.
it's sharp.
Yes.
Kusho ukuthi right.
It's good, it's good. So nalokho ukuthola ukufunda nje amanye ama languages for me bekuyinto enkulu, and it wasn't just me. It's for wonke umuntu mhlawumbe osendaweni webhayi kukhulunywa ulimi olulodwa khona.
Yeah.
So uyabona ukuthi bene impact engakanani leyo nto.
And also just looking at the insert, you know, ibiqulunqwe ngumqulunqwa lenqubo uPhathu sibonile into okubana bekukhona the dark skinned beautiful women that you are talking about, ndize ndatsho ndathi yo abasebahle bethuna yazi kuyathanda kusoloko kuthiwa nyana abantu abantsundu banjanjanjani. That is umbango ubreaker zonke ezi barriers, the societal standards of what beauty is, and even young talent into besisatsho kuyinto okubana even abantu abatsha bayangena nakubeni sazi into okubana bakhona badala but nabantu abatsha bakhona kananjalo. Ungathi mhlawumbe ikufundise ntoni about resilience nangomhlaba indlela ngayo?
So one of the biggest lessons that I learned as a producer, and one day as a young man who dreams of running his own company, indifundise ukuthi don't be scared to give new people an opportunity, new faces an opportunity, and don't only just give it to them, support them.
Yes.
Make sure that you give them enough support and tools for them to be able to shine. So for me, that is a life lesson. Uguti, even if it's someone that I meet at Campus Square who says, I just want to act, you know, or I just want to learn how to direct. It is very important for us to. Oh, yes, you did. Oh, yes, you did.
Yeah, nalithuba.
So Imubango really gave a lot of people opportunities.
Oh, yes.
It from actors to abantu abasebenza behind the scenes. So this is something that will live in me forever. To not say I just want all the A-listers. I must be open-minded enough to get new talent, to go to a Eastern Cape and say, I want to cast 3 people from there. Baba figure up that the work doesn't end there. What am I doing behind the scenes? Who are my players? How are they supporting these young actors for them to be able to shine? Because just like everything comes to an end. What will make me sleep better at night or make us as a cast and crew of whatever that I'm running in future, it will be good. We gave them something and they're able to go out there and shine.
I love that. I love that. And Kuku sibhiyozela inyanga yamanina. Njengenini elisakhulayo kumabona kude. Senditsho ilizwe lidefine inina ngendlela. But what you have done, you've been yourself unapologetically. You have embraced parts of you ezithe zabonakala ebantwini, and ungathi mhlambe nakuwe imfundiso othe wazithwebula ekhona kumbango usebenza nangamanye amanina ungathi zeziphi ezinzulu kuwe?
Oh, ilento yokuhloniphana into engithathe kakhulu kwabanye abantu besifazane onmubango. Abantu mina bengisebenza nabo kakhulu, we have asbelievele into eneyifanayo. But you wouldn't see that on screen and off screen. Besihloniphana ngalendlela le eyisimanga, but ngike ngibone kwi society ukuthi khona lento ukuthi if umuntu ebelievela kwilenkolo mhlambe lo munye enza lento kuba khona ungahloniphani. But kumubango bikhona lento ukuthi egcineni kosuku siyi family, and instead of ukuthi silwe besifundisana ngokuthi oh okay, this is how you do things, this is how I do things, how can we meet each other halfway, singasebenzisana kanjani. Into enkulu engithatha kubantu besifazane kade ngisebenza nabo mina kumubango inhlonipho ukuzwana uthando nokusebenzisana.
I love that. And senditsho kwabanye abantu abaninzi bebekhona abantu abazothi yo imbango ngokungathi say too modern, ayisahambi ngela xesha ehamba ngalo ixesha. Abanye bathi hayi kaloku bekumele kakade iya evolve ngokwamaxesha. Uphendula usithini kwezo zinto kwaye ndiyafuna ukuqonda mhlawumbe into okubana uba kungathwa nansi imibango iyaphuma, what would it look like?
Based on this epic season finale that we had, there's so much room to tell such a beautiful story.
Yes.
We left it on a cliffhanger.
Yeah.
Siyazi ukuthi people bafuna closure in life. But we thought, let's still leave it with a cliffhanger because life happens. 10 years later, you get a call. But let's just wrap it up. It's the final season, final one.
Yeah.
We left it there and we left people talking. And
Exactly.
the minute they say Mubang is coming back, we have an audience that is already waiting because they want to know what is going to happen. So that is also very important to leave your viewers like that because life happens. And uThixo simkhonzayo aga. He's not a sleeping God. He will come through for us.
Yes.
But it was important for us to say, let's exit with a bang.
Yeah.
Let's break all the boundaries. Let's take the story all the way. Let's make South Africa uncomfortable. And I do believe we did make them uncomfortable.
You did make us uncomfortable because, wow. Like sibone abantu ngoku benantsikana siqonda ukubana kuyantshiswana kumbango into esingazange sayibona. Senditsho that was uncomfortable. Why kuniyeka decide into okubana nithathe lo route?
Can I take this?
Usethubeni lokuncamisa nokuncanyisa.
For me, ngumuntu okholelwa ukuthi culture is dynamic and kufanele ukuthi ishintshe, ikhathi ziyashintsha. Njengamanje sikwi digital era whereby yonke into iphambi kwamehlo awo wonke umuntu. Khona izinto besikhula sifihla like people kissing, but right now ingane ziyazi ukuthi hayi nabantu abadala bayaqabulana. So uma soqhubeka thina sikufihle sithi no kule show akwenziwa, should we running away from reality. I-audience lencane, remember sinama actors thina amancane, so sine audience encane. I-audience encane angeke ifile ngazuthi lento i-real esikhombisayo because khona izinto esifihlayo esingayivezi. So siyakwazi ukuveza.
Kalona nivele ningene ekamereni siqonde ba.
I mean, you know, nakhona I wanted to say ukuthi yes besiveza but besingavezi yonke into. You would see kuqalwa. But then kuvaleka isicapha then uzobona na ukuthi oh I okay, you know. But ngaleyo ndlela kushuthi into yethu i-real. We telling stories ezenzakalayo vele emphakathini.
And kamqoq elithola like incamisana nyani.
It depends. You come answer this.
Yeah.
I know. So it depends. Most of the times we play with camera angles. For real.
So but umphefumulo womuntu uyawuva.
I mean uyawuzwa phela umsebenzi and ngisuke ngiwe character ke, so I don't know what you're talking about.
No, but senditsho ukuthi
yeah. No,
wow.
Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. It really depends on the story nokuthi ko intense kangakanani. If go intense then obviously you will go there, but we are trained to do these things. So yeah, it's akukho nzima, you know. And akuyona into enkulu.
Ayo big deal.
No, it's not. It's not.
I don't know whether utshintsha umqondo na. Wena kabu and ndiyafuna man because wena ubaphana uyazibona zonke izinto nakwizicreens ezincinci bani ujonga uthi ezinye izinto i-bloopers thina singaziboni or any fun moments ozikhumbulayo.
Any fun moments? Oh, there's a lot.
Yeah.
It's really, no. Umubango is just, it has been a dream, man.
Yeah.
I remember we were shooting the season finale, super epic. We were like, that was season 25. That was like one of the, we said when we leave 25, it also needs to be a bang. And our scripts didn't work. It's supposed to be a shootout and it's supposed to set up the next season.
Yeah.
The scripts just didn't work. But we also had to make a plan.
Yeah.
So you're right in saying that there's a lot that happens behind the scenes. And I'm like, does the viewer know good to be middle spam? No, they don't. Okay, my hand, you know what I mean? That exercise of saying, does the viewer, because we are not cheating them anything. We're still giving them the same thing. But there's something that goes wrong on set that is just beyond your control. The network, Yama scripts, when you are doing a shootout, you can't say, okay, no, we have to find a way to make it work. But because in this kutazayo, and I still say it, the viewer doesn't know, and when they see it, they appreciate it.
Yeah.
And lastly, as we wrap this conversation, ukhuthaze abantu abaninzi abakulandelayo kumsebenzi wakho nakubo indlela oziva ngayo nabo abanye bazobani bekubuza bathi oh yini abanye bade bakhalisa uqonda bana ungathethi ngalondlela because senditsho ubomi bunjalo impendulo azikho kuyo yonke into. I mean, what would you like to say to abalandeli bakho, abalandeli bombango, abalandeli nje abaqonda into kubana uyandiphilisa emoyeni nasenyameni? And what does the future look like for wena?
Yo, ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu kubalandeli bakho kulethu Mzobe qala and nabalandeli bomubango. Yeah, the same way abafila ngayo ngami ukuthi mhlawumbe uma act when you're telling stories uyabaphilisa is the exact same way I feel about them, because sometimes ukuphuma endlini ungazizwa kahle uhlangane nomuntu emall ozokujabulela ngalendlela yokuthi ubone nawe ukuthi I have no reason to be sad. Abantu bayangithanda, abantu bayayithanda into esiyenzayo, abantu bayathanda istory esisixoxayo. So this gets me so emotional, and no, because ngizothi ngiya-acta la. But yeah, and uqinisile ezinye izinto asinazo impendulo zazo njengokuthi nje upheleleni istory asinayo leyo impendulo, and abantu basibuza every day ukuthi istory sipheleleni, istory siyabuya kwenzakalani, and ugcina usu emotional. Kodwa ngiyabonga kakhulu iSouth Africa isupporte kakhulu and iyasithanda kakhulu. Ngithanda nje ukuthi bazi ukuthi siyabonga, siyabathanda nathi, lo thanda basithanda ngalo ilona lo nathi sibathanda ngalo.
Kamogelo.
Hectic.
Yeah.
I'm grateful to the viewers because had we not have those viewers, that 7-year-old young man wouldn't have had the opportunity of working on this show 27 and 28 years later. So the viewers are the ones that keeps us, that really makes a show. And most importantly, I'd like to say to the viewers that really wants to do this TV thing, that we can still do it. It took a young man from Limpopo who came to Johannesburg to explore TV, and it worked. So I'm speaking to someone in KZN, speaking to someone in Eastern Cape, speaking to someone in Mpumalanga who has these big dreams to say, Nami, I used to watch it, and I watched it, and I was like, this TV thing looks great, you know? So I'd really like to say to our viewers, Role Wangamanda, it was all because of you that you changed my life. I'm proud to go to different boardrooms and say I worked on Mubango. I worked on a legacy show. So as sad as it is, for me personally and everyone else that I've had conversations with, this is a huge celebration that there was a show that made it 28 years. Which is very rare. So I'm really grateful. I've done other shows, but the closest they could get is season 3. But in SA, we've had our own The Bold and the Beautiful, Days of Our Lives. And
yes, most definitely.
So what I'm saying is that must keep dreaming. We should not be alarmed to go to Ipela, then where else are we going to go? TV is still around. Film and television is still growing every day. This is an opportunity for us to go out there and take all our learnings from Abo Kacheni and other producers that came before me and take it to the world.
Yo, I nateta kwanabeleka ngenene siyabulela kakhulu ngokuba namkela isimemo sethu SABC lihaye. Ndiyathemba into okubana nombukele ekhaya beqonda into okubana inhliziyo yakhe ixhonkenkile kodwa ngamazwi wenu uvuselelekile. Nam by the way yazi ndake actor edukathole featured ndibonisa ifoto zami but
I'd like to see that.
Enkosi kakhulu singathi into okubana yonke lento it's rebirth ngaphambi kokuba kuzalwe into entsha funeka iqale kuqale kube khona ebhubhayo. This is rebirth, this is realignment, and it's part of i-soul contract owavuma nawe into yobana le nto ndizoyihamba le ndlela eniyihambayo igqityiwe. Enkosi kakhulu, sinifisela konke okuhle kwi-future yenu. Xa sesinibona sipha sophinde sinibuyize kwakhona.
Siyabonga.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
Right, Mbukeli we-SABC lihaye besihlala indlebe kaloku Mbukeli. Yo nami Mbukeli ndase ndaziva emotional. Yo hayi Mbukeli, masiye evenkileni besithetha naye Mbukeli ugugu lethu owaziwa kaloku Mbukeli ngoNomvula pha kuMubango. Nayo kaloku Mbukeli i-line producer uKamugelo bedlala indlebe nathi ngohambo lwabo olufikelele esiphelweni kwimibango kodwa kuMubango. Kodwa Mbukeli siyafuna ukuthi into bana esi sisiqalo.